Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most incredible moments from the forest and logging industry. The first clip introduces us to a powerful cat machine in action, clearing away small trees with incredible force. These machines are designed for heavy-duty forest work, and they make a difficult job look surprisingly easy. Watch how smoothly it removes the trees, creating a clear path through the dense forest. Now let's take a look at another cat machine, this time driving through a muddy and water-filled road. Forest roads often become difficult to cross after rain, turning into pools of mud and water that challenge even the toughest machines. Here we witness one of the most fascinating parts of logging, loading giant logs onto a massive truck. The log loader grabs each heavy log and carefully stacks them with precision. Both the loader and the truck may look old, but they still get the job done with surprising efficiency. As the truck fills up, you can see the operator's experience at work. Loading isn't just about power. It's about balance and proper stacking so the truck can travel safely. Each log is carefully placed to maximize space and ensure stability on the road. Once the truck is full, it makes its way to the unloading bay. This is where the real surprise comes in. A massive unloading machine arrives and lifts all the logs out in one go. The scale of this machine is simply jaw-dropping.
Pretty tight.
What do you think about this process? Do you prefer the traditional way of unloading one by one, or this modern method of removing everything at once? Let us know in the comments. Next up, we have a red truck demonstrating incredible driving skills. The driver maneuvers the vehicle around a sharp bend before reversing up a hill, a move that requires extreme precision. Now let's look at a massive KOMATSU excavator being unloaded in its own unique way. These machines are built to handle extreme conditions, but moving them from one place to another is always a big challenge. The operator doesn't use the traditional ramp unloading system. Instead, he relies on his own method, carefully controlling the machine's balance to step it down from the truck. It's a bold move that shows total trust in his own skill. This process requires split-second precision. One wrong move could damage both the machine and the truck, not to mention putting the operator at risk. Watching it happen feels tense but impressive at the same time. Would you try unloading a machine this way, or would you prefer a safer, slower method? Let us know in the comments. We see a Hyundai excavator working deep in the forest. This machine is tasked with removing both trees and soil, a job that demands both strength and precision. Watch how the excavator uses its powerful arm to push through obstacles, clearing the way for logging operations. Every move is calculated, ensuring maximum efficiency while minimizing risks. The combination of raw power and fine control is what makes these machines so vital in the forestry industry. They help prepare the forest for safe and efficient logging, shaping both the land and the workflow. What do you think about the role of excavators in forestry? Are they the most important machines? Or do you think loaders and skidders play a bigger role? Share your thoughts in the comments below. In this clip, we see an impressive truck equipped with an inbuilt crane, designed for removing dead trees and cutting down dangerous branches. Dead trees are a serious hazard in forests, as they can fall unexpectedly and cause accidents for workers or even block pathways. Watch carefully how the crane extends with precision, cutting and grabbing branches at the same time. It eliminates the need for workers to climb the tree with chainsaws, which is both dangerous and time-consuming. Next, we have the powerful John Deere Feller Buncher in action. This machine is designed to harvest trees quickly, cutting them at the base and stacking them neatly in one motion. It's one of the most efficient machines in the forestry industry. The ability to harvest multiple trees within minutes saves enormous amounts of time compared to manual cutting. Here we see a fascinating system logs being transported up a mountain using strong steel cables. This cable transport method is often used in steep or rough terrain where trucks and skidders cannot easily operate.
Meter. Nur ein bisschen. Stopp. Nachlassen. Passt. Freifahrt.
In this clip, a massive long truck is unloading soy in an impressive way. Instead of tipping from the side, the container is lifted high from the back, causing all the soy inside to slide out and form a neat pile on the ground. This type of unloading system is designed for speed and efficiency. By lifting the container at a steep angle, the truck empties completely without leaving behind any material. Now we move to a Kobelco SK5 long reach excavator, used here for dredging a pond. Its long arm gives it extra reach, making it ideal for removing moss, mud, and debris from areas that regular excavators can't easily access. The extra long boom of the Kobelco allows it to reach far across the water without having to move too close to the edge, reducing the risk of sinking into soft ground. Such machines are highly versatile, being used in river cleaning, lake maintenance, and even coastal dredging. Here, it's doing the important job of keeping natural water bodies clean and usable. In this scene, we see a man truck with a powerful inbuilt wood chipper. The truck's crane lifts dead trees and feeds them into the chipper, which instantly shreds them into small wood chips. This process is an efficient way to recycle dead trees instead of simply burning or discarding them. The resulting wood chips can be reused for biomass fuel, garden mulch, or even industrial materials. By combining transportation and chipping in one machine, this truck saves both space and fuel, making it an excellent example of multifunctional forestry equipment. Here we witness a tense moment. A skidder tries to pull a truck up a slope, but things don't go as planned. The skidder loses balance and falls backward in a dangerous slip. Finally, we see a dramatic scene where a machine pulls a truck across a river to reach the next forest. This teamwork between heavy equipment shows how logging operations adapt to difficult terrain.
Ya, beginilah kerasnya kehidupan di negeri orang, di mana anak rantau yang datang untuk mencari rezeki ya, dan harus menghadapi liku-liku kehidupan.
The water current adds to the challenge, but with careful control, both the truck and machine manage to cross successfully. These kinds of situations require both power and coordination. Would you attempt to drive a truck through a river like this, or would you leave it to the professionals? Let us know in the comments below.
Ini sungainya cukup luas ya. Ini namanya Sungai Bek-Bek.
That wraps up our compilation of amazing forest machines and logging industry moments. These clips show just how much skill, strength, and technology go into every part of forestry work. Which machine impressed you the most today? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Oke, di sini kita sudah sampai di seberang dan kita akan segera menuju ke blok. Dan nanti pulangnya begitu juga harus ditarik oleh bulldozer ya, apalagi kalau hujan.